Well, I definitely picked one of the hottest days of the year to do some walleye fishing. The lake I am on is Leroy Lake. You locals watching this probably already know where I am. And what we're targeting today is walleye. We're gonna see if we can find some walleye to take home. We're gonna be putting back fish that don't even belong on a table. So basically, probably gonna be doing lots of catch and releasing until we find the perfect size walleye to take home and cook up. All right, so just before we hook up the walleye rig, I'm gonna go ahead and just try some jigging here first. We'll try that, do that for a little bit. After we're done jigging, then I'll set up the walleye rig, get some minnows on there, and that is the perfect little setup. So let's give that a toss in the water here. Oh my gosh, that sun is all types of hot. Just let that sit there a little bit. Oh, we got one. I was just sitting there relaxing. Oh man. Just a small one, not very big at all. That there is a nice little walleye, folks. Smash a thumbs up. First little walleye of the day. Well, it was a nice little catch we had. Not the biggest walleye, but we got one on the board. Oh, by the way, I didn't film it, but I put him back. It's just too small to keep. Still using the jig and the minnow. I didn't put the walleye rig on yet. Bless you. Somebody's having a sneeze attack at the shoreline. I knew it. Took my minnow. I felt the tap. Oh, I bet you he took my minnow too. Yeah. Well, there's fish down there. Keep stealing my minnows. I wonder who I gotta send the bill for those. Just gonna let this sit here for a little bit longer, then I'm gonna put the walleye rig on. It's the second time I said that. This time I mean it. Alright, we got the walleye rig ready here now. Just gonna give her a little cinderoo. Okay, we got one on here. Oh, feels like it might be a good one too. Oh, another smallie. Just another small. Oh, here we go on, guys. It's a nice one too. Nice. Gotta use my feet. That one's worth taking home. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Got a perch. Look at that little old percheroni. Alright, this guy's gonna go back. Okay, we might have a nibble here. I knew there was a fish there nipping at it. He took my minnow. Okay, now we finally got a walleye on here. Oh, this was a nice one. Oh yes, look at that. That is awesome. That is one good looking walleye. Whew, time to go home. Yeah, so these fish that I was catching, it was on the Montreal River, and yeah, they were in about 15 to 20 feet of water. The bigger ones that I caught, they were in about 10 feet of water. They weren't very deep. Now, when it comes to cooking wild game, my wife is amazing. She's hands down a better cook than I am, or than I ever will be. But yeah, she can cook all types of wild meat, whether it's roasting, deep frying, bacon, whatever, she can do it. So the batter we're using, it's a fish fry coating mix. It's not really much of a batter. So we're using that, and then just co-op gold canola oil. Right there it is, all fried up and ready to eat. Not very spicy. I can taste the herbs in it. It's really good. $5 bag of seasoning. That's just perfect. Cooked perfectly. Alright guys, that's about going to do it for the video. Please hit that thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Click the notification bell. It'll notify you when I upload more videos. So until the next episode, we will get you guys next time.